friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Anna. It's really early right now and I'm still very sleepy, but I'm excited to share this work from home vlog with you. And today it's all about balancing self-care and productivity. And we'll start with my morning routine, which includes some essential self-care rituals. And after that I'll be heading out for some errands. First of all, to grab my morning coffee and the best pastries in town, and for some groceries and a special secret mission. And let's see if I can make all this before noon, because it's when my workday starts today and I absolutely have to be home by then. So I've got a full day ahead, some fun errands and some productivity and self-care tricks and hacks I would love to share. But before that, it's a perfect timing to ask, how do you keep this balance and what really helps you to stay energized throughout your day? Maybe it's some productivity and self-care hacks. I feel it's gonna be a lovely day. It's already 8 a.m. I woke up at like 6:30. Already did my cold shower, I did my meeting, very quick skincare routine, and now I want to apply a little bit of makeup and do some stretching on the terrace because it's time to view the sunlight. It's been a while since I woke up, so it's time to drink some water and to move my body a little bit. So as I said, I want to apply just a little bit of makeup to look better on camera and to just set myself up for this day. And what I wanted is to apply just a little bit of concealer and a little bit of brow gel. And for my brows, I use brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills in color soft brown. I like my brows to be a little bit darker than my natural color. And also for blush, I use NYX lip cream in color Canvas, my favorite one. And one more time, a little bit of Dalba serum spray on top. Let's go do some stretching on the terrace. It's funny because it started raining as soon as I finished my yoga. And now I'm gonna do a quick breakfast for me. I'm still not hungry, so I think I'm gonna make some boiled eggs for me. Just because I'm going out to drink some coffee and I don't want to do it on an empty stomach, so I'm gonna eat something. So I've completed my morning routine plan. I did my cold shower, skincare routine, I did stretching on the terrace, watched the sunlight, drank my multivitamins and water, and had the breakfast. Although I wasn't very hungry, so it's not my normal breakfast. Usually I eat more, but I'm not hungry, as I said, and maybe I'll eat something in that place I'm going to right now. I don't know. They have delicious croissants. And when I return, I have 1 hour reading on my schedule, and in terms of sport, my watch showed me that I need to rest today. And I usually take seriously these recommendations. Maybe I'll still go to my gym to do some yoga, stretching, Pilates, or just to walk on a treadmill. We'll see how I feel later in the day, but the reason why I really take it seriously because usually they push me and usually they ask me to do what I physically cannot do sometimes. So when they tell me to rest, I need to listen. I also need to go to grocery shop to buy some capsules for washing machine, as well as some fruits and berries. It's peaches season right now and I love them. It's my favorite fruit ever. And unfortunately I forgot my tote bag today, so I had to buy a plastic bag. And now let's go on my whitening strips mission. I haven't done any research, so I'm probably gonna check out several pharmacies nearby to see if they have something. And unfortunately, they didn't have any good option. They had only one brand, which I googled, was not very good. Anyway, I don't mind walking because since I'm not sure that I will have any sport today, I'm on my hot girl walk. So unfortunately my teeth whitening mission was unsuccessful today because in dental clinic I've checked, they only had indoor teeth whitening, which takes almost 2 hours. And I don't have this time today, and it also costs like 10 times more than regular white strips, but at the same time it's much more effective, so I will consider it in the future. I also asked for the name of the brand so I can Google it and see if it's something safe first of all and effective. And with all my morning errands out of the way, I'm prepared for productive working session ahead, and of course I'll take you with me. And a quick side note, in my favorite filming spot, I really love this athletic leisure sets. They are so versatile, both for running errands as I did, doing some stretching, yoga, movement, and basically for everything, and working as well. So I'm too lazy right now to switch to something else, and I will continue working in the same set. So this is very convenient. I usually put 95 degrees. This way I make sure that my coffee tastes better, because it's very important not to use boiled water for this. It somehow changes the taste of coffee. So I usually put 95 degrees and it's enough. Just a quick tip for you so you can make the best coffee. So today is very exciting and important because I have almost finished my project that I've been working on for a while, for the past few months. And this is my biggest project so far, and I'm very excited to release it. And I'm also very proud of myself. So I'm on these final steps. So as you can see, I don't really have time for a proper lunch today, but I'm trying to keep my diet healthy and to eat enough protein every meal. I also usually don't eat my lunch while working, but today's schedule is very intense. And besides this, I just have received a plot for my next game from my writer, and I need to review it, to make some edits if necessary, and to send it back. So I have one more work task today. So meanwhile, I changed my clothes and I'm going to sunbathe for a little bit to get my vitamin D. Luckily, right now I don't need to spend much time on the sun to get my daily intake of vitamin D3 because UV index is so high right now. It's crucial for your bone health and for your immune system, and of course it affects your mood directly. But please keep in mind that if you apply your sunscreen, you probably don't get vitamin D. I took a shower and finally changed to proper home outfit since I'm not going anywhere today for sure. It's 5 p.m. and it's time to start cooking dinner. And to save myself time, I usually use pre-cut onion because to me, cutting onions is a nightmare. It takes a lot of time and you also cry, so we don't need that. And also I've chosen the best outfit to cook my tomato meatballs. Oh. And let's see if I can make it till the end of cooking and still keep my outfit white. It's a challenge. So here's my dinner. Here I have my tomato meatballs, spinach and carrot, a little bit of avocado and parmesan on top. Meatballs was so delicious. This sauce never disappoints. And also look at this. I managed to keep it clean. And now I will have my last working session of the day. And after, I'm planning to read something, to rewind a little bit, or maybe stretch my body. As you can see, I decided to listen to my watch suggestion and to stay home today and not to go in a gym or on a run, to prepare myself for a more intense workout tomorrow. And I have officially finished my work for today. So I've completed the main part of my work on this project. It's already 8 p.m. and I'm gonna go to bed in 2 hours. So I know that I still need some time to unwind from my working day and from my task. I still need some time to read because I have 1 hour reading on my schedule. And this is what balance is all about. If I properly rest today, I will have much more energy tomorrow to complete more tasks than I would have completed today if I continued working. And on this note, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching my vlog, for spending this day with me, this amazing day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon.